Bonjour. Dans ce live stream, on va développer quelques actions et comprendre quelques programmes qui est déjà installé d'après l'Internet. Et on va voir comment construire des plateformes, comme on va voir dans cet exemple, comment les développer avec notre main sans l'aide de someone else, sans l'aide de quelqu'un d'autre. D'accord? Alors, on va essayer de se concentrer 30 minutes. Donc, ici, on a un projet. Donc, pour exécuter ce projet, on va exécuter la commande ngserve. Pour exécuter, c'est un programme, c'est une application Angular. Donc, on va utiliser la commande ngserve. Test. J'espère que tu m'écoutes bien. On va attendre quelques secondes pour que le programme s'exécute. Donc, on a ici le lien. Bien sûr, on va exécuter le programme localement dans notre machine locale. Donc, on va ouvrir notre navigateur et on va écrire localhost 4200. Donc, c'est ça le projet. Spike Angular Admin Template. On a plusieurs templates ici. Donc, pour avoir le code de cette partie, on va essayer de voir, de chercher de ce mot-clé profit. Mais avant ça, on va vérifier tous les paramètres. Donc, premièrement, on va chercher templates. Templates, help, hire us, check pro version, live preview, get pro, all access pass. On va voir à quelle partie on va voir ce code. Donc, on va aller sur notre code et on va cliquer sur CTRL-SHIFT, CTRL-SHIFT H, CTRL-SHIFT F, CTRL-SHIFT-F et on va chercher templates. Donc, on a top stripe component HTML. Donc, ici, on a, et on va vérifier avec le reste de le code. Par exemple, ici on a template, ici on a help, high ras. Donc, on va voir tout ça ensemble. Par exemple, ici on a une div qui se compose d'un classe. Et on a classe. Puis on a une autre div. Deux divs. Puis on a un logo. Et on a une div qui contient 3. Et la troisième partie qui contient check pro version div. Donc ça c'est un component. On va aller sur top strip component HTML. Donc on va aller sur Explorer et on va vérifier où lesquels on va trouver ce component. Ce component, on va le trouver sur Top Employees. Donc, open to the site. Reveal in File Explorer. No, not in File Explorer, but Top Spot. Donc, on va le trouver dans Layout. Layout, Full, Top Stripe Component. Donc maintenant, on va essayer de voir. On va essayer de voir le code. Donc, si on va aller sur Top Stripe Component TS, on va voir que le sélecteur de cette component est App Top Stripe. Donc, on va chercher de App Top Stripe sur ce même outil. App Top Stripe component et on va trouver que App Top Stripe component est full component TS, full component TS. Et si on cherche App Top Stripe, on va trouver sur full component HTML. Full component HTML et on a ici App Nav Item, etc. Donc, pour avoir ce code, on va voir, par exemple ici, App, top stripe, background dark, copy et chercher background dark. Donc ça c'est commande, c'est un commande. Hello, hello. Yeah, not just busy, but many other things.
If something happened, serious,
Yeah, a lot of worse things.
did you lose some money in the business, or what?
Yeah. Yeah, money and a lot of like 30% of the projects shut down, and
Okay,
I need like to manage my things. Then I just like disappear.
what?
And now I'm going back. You see, I'm going back to my first job, coding. You know, right now there is like this vibe coding and AI intelligent and so on. And I need like to revise these things. Then today is Saturday. I said to myself, why not opening a live stream and code a little bit. I have a live stream on YouTube, just like showing my screen and share it with people for a reason like to build community there.
You made a big community there?
Like community, bringing people from Hello Talk to YouTube and coding together with French language and English.
Can you code with French language? What?
Not coding with French language, by explaining with French language.
Okay.
Explaining the code with French language, but coding with English.
I was missing you, man. It's been a long time.
Yeah. Sometimes I enter with other accounts and see what you are people doing here. But I never.
In Chris' room?
Sorry?
Did you enter in Chris' room?
Chris' room, yes. Chris Tank, other people's
Did you see
room.
me fighting on the stage?
Not, I don't stay a lot, just like for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. in the app. And I forget how to connect my phone to my laptop. What about you? Is there something? Did you marry? Did you have kids? How much kids do you have right now?
I'm talking about, I'm also in a terrible situation. Yesterday, so what happened past 3 months, since you were gone? I don't know, you were gone more than 3 months, right?
No, more.
So,
More than 3 months. It's 7 months.
yeah. So what happened? My friend took the guarantee to make my house. My friend demolished my house. Break it down from top to bottom. He was gonna construct it again. He was gonna spend some money, and he was supporting me for 3 months financially. Yesterday, he fucking said, "No, I cannot support you anymore. I don't have money, and I'm living on rent, man. He's gonna pay my rent."
Now you are living on rent.
Yeah. My house is broken down already.
What about the job? Do you have any job?
No, I'm fighting that court case already. You remember?
Yeah. I can remember, but
My accounts are already blocked. I'm not doing any job. No job. I did not earn a single penny.
so how you pay your rent?
He was paying my rent. He was financially supporting me.
Ah, okay.
Okay, hello.
GBS did it again.
I was gonna do something bad to myself yesterday.
Sorry?
I was gonna. ये मत दिया कर मुझे यार. नहीं. I was gonna do something bad to myself yesterday.
Oh my
I
god.
was so frustrated.
No, don't think about that. You just like take your time and everything will be solved at the end. We just need like to not giving up. That's what I learned from these 30 years that I have. We just need to not giving up. And everything will be solved. Not with the way that we want. Not with the way that we want. But at the end, it's gonna be solved. Wallahi, even me, like I'm struggling a lot right now. Even I'm trying like to. Well, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just like trying to say, okay, I will give up and return to like 9 to 5 jobs. And it is not 9 to 5. It's 8 to 6. 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And you need to wake up so early. You need like to come back so late. And they hate this kind of life. When you taste the how to say that, when you taste the freedom of time, there is no going back. It's hard to go back.
I used to have a job before accountant. When I started my own business, I stopped doing that.
Yeah.
After that, I never go back.
Where is debugging? I need to search about.
So are you talking to your partner or not?
Yes. Yes, of course.
So are you still working on the same project or what?
Yeah, same projects. Same projects. But
And how did you lose the project?
sorry?
How did you lose 30% of the project? Did someone did some fraud or something?
Yeah, competitors taking like the market. It was like it's gonna be worse than 30%. They enter with a big investment, with a big project, and they try to take the market from us.
What was the project about? Exporting, importing from China?
No, it's about like educating people online, and
Did
we
you hire
have,
some teachers?
yeah, we have a platform of educating people online, and
In
we have
Morocco?
an it's international, but in I think in 27, maybe 27 countries or something. But it's not a lot
What
of
were you teaching them?
not me, other people.
No, whatever. What were the teaching them?
Sorry.
What were the teaching them? What subject?
Yeah, math, languages, physics, whatever. Platform for
Did you get a lot
meeting,
of students?
and we took 20%. Like it's a platform for meeting people with teachers, and we took 20%. It's simple concept. So
So, how many students did you get?
I can't remember. Not a lot of students.
So, it was still in the startup process, right?
Yes, but it was good at first. Then we have like competitors. That the problem of internet. It's very easy.
So, the other competitors, were they from Morocco or were they from other country?
No, from another country, from Nigeria.
Nigeria, okay. They must have come in with the lowest percentage profits, cheaper than you,
Yes.
like at the market.
Yeah.
Because the economy there is cheaper, you know.
Yes, and we are like working in the same market. America, Europe, Canada. Like where like people can pay us more than what we can earn here in Morocco or Nigeria. So we are competing in the same market.
Which couscous is better, Algerian, Moroccan, or Tunisian?
Sorry? Sorry?
Which couscous is better, Algerian, Moroccan, or Tunisian? Which couscous is better, couscous?
Couscous. I will say Moroccan, but
Algerian.
because it's different, especially Tunisian one. Tunisian one is different. Tunisian one is how to say that? Not salty, but hard, tasty, spicy. Tunisian one. It is spicy.
Tunisian one is spicy.
Tunisian one. Tunisian, not Algerian.
And it has a lot of meat. The Tunisian one.
Yeah, and they have also some vegetables, and for us we have different couscous also, from the north to the south. Different couscous, different type of couscous. But the most famous one is with 7 vegetables. Like you have couscous with 7 vegetables, and it is salty, and you bring some onion with something, I forget the name of it, and it is sugary. So you have this mix between salt and sugar.
That's crazy. Salt and sugar together.
Yeah, that's what it is famous with the Moroccan dish. Moroccan dishes is famous by salt and sweet in the same time.
Couscous is the only cuisine that is famous between these countries, right?
And
I
tagine.
said couscous is the only one that is common between these 3 countries, right?
And tagine also.
Huh?
Tagine.
Tagine is also common. The same common name for 3 countries: Algeria, Morocco, and Tunisia.
Yes. But it's more famous in Morocco and Algeria. Sorry?
What is it made of?
Tagine? Tagine is the dish. And you can do you can do whatever you want inside it.
How does it like?
You can do whatever you want inside it.
What do you mean?
Like
You cannot do whatever you want.
whatever you want. Like for example, you can do tagine with chicken, tagine with fish, tagine with vegetables. Is like different.
You can put any kind of meat.
Yes, but not.
But Moroccan one has more vegetables and Algerian one has more meat.
Vegetables, more vegetables than meat.
Yeah, Moroccan has more vegetables and Algerian one has more meat.
Yeah, because they have more desert than us, you know. So they are like having camel, sheep, and they have meat more than us. That's what it should be in the past. Do you hear me, Kling? Yeah, but for us, we have more green area than Algeria. We're still in a desert place, but it is yeah, more vegetables, more vegetables, because we need carbohydrates in our food, and carbohydrates comes from couscous. For them, they don't have a lot of vegetables. They have meat more than vegetables. And this is in the past. It's just like for famous, or like for good times, not every day. But right now you have everything you want, so you can do these dishes every day.
साधारण बार में डेवलपर ऑप्शन को ऑन कर देता है। आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन शो होगा डेवलपर ऑप्शन, आप सेटिंग में देखिए यहाँ पे यूएसबी डिबगिंग मोड ऑन रहता है, जिससे काफ़ी सारी एप्लीकेशन से वर्क नहीं करती है। तो ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा, आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे अबाउट डिवाइस के ऊपर, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन, क्लिक करेंगे तो बिल्ड नंबर आपको जैसे ना इस पे ऐसे क्लिक करते रहना है। जैसे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये है ना साधारण बार में डेवलपर ऑप्शन को ऑन कर देता है। आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन शो होगा डेवलपर ऑप्शन, आप सेटिंग में देखिए यहाँ सिस्टम सेटिंग में डेवलपर ऑप्शन, जैसे क्लिक कर क्लिक करने के बाद में यहाँ पे आपको यूएसबी जो है डिबगिंग मोड है वो ऑफ कर देंगे। ये ऑप्शन कब आएगा, ये आप वर्जन के ऑप्शन पर क्लिक मारेंगे 7-8 बार। तो दोस्तों अगर आप भी अपना डेवलपर ऑप्शन ऑफ करना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको करना चाहिए, सिंपल तरीका बताऊंगा। यहाँ पे सेटिंग पे जाना है, सेटिंग पे जाने के बाद आपके पास जैसे सेटिंग सेटिंग हो जाती है, इसमें आपको डेवलपर ऑप्शन जो होता है वो ढूंढना है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे यूएसबी डिबगिंग मोड ऑन रहता है, जिससे काफ़ी सारी एप्लीकेशन से वर्क नहीं करती है। तो ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए
Suelta el miedo, no digas nada, el sudor cuéntala. Si lo sabes que manda, no hay pecado en tropezar.
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, about couscous.
What about alcohol?
Ah,
It's allowed to buy alcohol from the shop?
yes, you can buy alcohol, but it's for foreigners, not for Moroccans.
Yeah, alcohol stored.
This is what in the law. It is for foreigners, not for Moroccans. But a lot of people just don't follow the.
Say a lot of Moroccans don't drink alcohol.
No, Moroccans drink alcohol more than milk. But even that, they don't follow the law. That not means like everyone drink alcohol. That means like a lot of Moroccans drink a lot of alcohol. Small amount of Moroccans drink a lot of alcohol. No, for me, I never drink alcohol in my life.
No, not you, your partner.
I don't know about them. I don't know.
Don't drink alcohol with you on the trip.
No, never. Yeah, but I see a lot of people, especially at night, they drinking alcohol when they go in from.
Not as well, right?
Sorry.
Not as well, right?
Yeah.
ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा, आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन, क्लिक करेंगे तो बिल्ड नंबर आपको जैसे ना इस पे ऐसे क्लिक करते रहना है। जैसे क्लिक करते हैं ये ना साधारण बार में डेवलपर ऑप्शन को ऑन कर देता है। आपके यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होगा डेवलपर ऑप्शन, आप सेटिंग में देखिए यहाँ सिस्टम सेटिंग में डेवलपर ऑप्शन, जैसे क्लिक करेंगे क्लिक करने के बाद यहाँ पे आपको यूएसबी जो है
about Algerians? They also drink alcohol?
I don't know. You need to ask Amina. Hey, long time. Hello, Timothy. How are you? Welcome.
I asked for Algerian. I have a friend. She,
Yes, Timothy. This is like my work.
yeah.
डिबगिंग बोर्ड है वो ऑफ कर दीजिए ये ऑप्शन कब आएगा ये आप वर्जन के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक मारेंगे 7-8 बार तो दोस्तों अगर आप
I build stuff like
तो
this.
आपको करना क्या होगा सिंपल तरीका बताऊंगा यहाँ पे सेटिंग पे जाना है सेटिंग पे जाने
I
के बाद
build stuff
आपको
like
जैसे
this.
सेटिंग्स ओपन हो जाती है इसमें आपको डेवलपर ऑप्शन जो होता है वो ढूंढना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे यूएसए डिबगिंग मोड ऑन रहता है इसमें काफी सारी एप्लीकेशंस वर्क नहीं करती हैं तो ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन
Oh, thank you,
Can you go to
Timothy.
Tunisia? How?
यहाँ पे आपको
Yes, in Tunisia it is allowed. Like it is the most free country in the North Africa. They have more freedom than us, than Algeria, than any other countries. We still need 4 CSS. Yes, Leah. I already use Tailwind.
Algeria has pyramidal area in Morocco, right?
It is right now.
Algeria is the biggest country in North Africa.
It is the big country in Africa, not in North Africa. In Africa,
In whole Africa.
in whole Africa, yes. And
What is the second biggest?
the second biggest is Somalia. But before we have North Somalia and South Somalia, right? Yes, and before we have just like one country, Somalia. It's in the south of Egypt, and it was the biggest country in Africa. Then Algeria, but after separating the country to 2 countries, south and north, Algeria become number 1. Hello Aziba, how are you? Hi. So if someone wants like to learn how to code, right now I'm learning how to code in Angular.
इसमें आपको डेवलपर ऑप्शन जो होता है वो ढूंढना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे यूएस में डिबगिंग मोड ऑन रहता है जिससे काफ़ी सारी एप्लीकेशन है वर्क नहीं करती हैं तो ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे अबाउट डिवाइस के ऊपर जाएंगे ठीक है यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन क्लिक करेंगे
I'm right now live
क्लिक करते हैं जैसे क्लिक करते हैं
in YouTube. If you guys want to join me there or just like supporting me there. No, not teaching, but studying together. We can study together, étudier entre nous en français et en anglais. In French and language. It's complicated for beginner to use Angular. Leah, it's complicated, but it's simple in the same time. Guys, this is my channel. If you guys want to join me there. Yeah. There is many concepts. Yes, Leah. There is many concepts, but at the first you just start by the most important, like routing, components, understand the concept of components, models, services, and routing. Hello, Yusuf. I've thought about it before, but how will that hold up with AI? Yes, Timothy. Even they say that AI will solve this problem, but even right now, there is a big problem that even when you create something with AI, it's impossible for you to solve the problem
इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ
when you don't understand the code that you write.
अबाउट डिवाइस के ऊपर जाइए, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन,
My
क्लिक
problem, I know
करेंगे बिल्ड
theory,
नंबर,
but can't
आपको
apply
जैसे इस पे
it
ऐसे
in a
क्लिक करते हैं ना,
project.
जैसे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये ना
Yes, yes, Leo, just about the practice. Me too, I'm still struggling about it.
या सिस्टम सेटिंग में डेवलपर ऑप्शन जैसे क्लिक करेंगे, क्लिक करने के बाद में
I'm
यहाँ पे
still
आपको वर्जन के
struggling,
ऑप्शन पे जाएंगे, देन
struggle
वर्जन
about
के
it.
ऑप्शन पे जाएंगे, ये ऑप्शन कब आएगा जब आप वर्जन के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक मारेंगे
My
7
problem,
बार।
I know.
दोस्तों अगर आप भी अपना
Okay.
डेवलपर ऑप्शन ऑफ करना चाहते हैं, इसको कैसे करें, तो सबसे ज़्यादा सिंपल तरीका बताऊँ, यहाँ पे सेटिंग के ऊपर जाना, सेटिंग में जाने के बाद में आपके पास जैसे सेटिंग सेटिंग हो जाती है, इसमें आपका डेवलपर ऑप्शन जो होता है वो ढूंढना है। दोस्तों यहाँ पे यूएसबी डिपेंडिंग और ऑन रहता है, जैसे काफ़ी सारी एप्लीकेशन है वर्क नहीं करती है, तो ऐसे में इसको ऑफ करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एक
From
ऑप्शन
where
दिखा
I
था
can
वर्जन के ऊपर जाइए, अबाउट डिवाइस के
remove
ऊपर जाइए, ठीक है।
translation.
यहाँ पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन, क्लिक करेंगे तो बिल्ड नंबर आ जाएगा, आपको जैसे ना इस पे ऐसे क्लिक करते रहेगा, जैसे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये ना 7-8 बार में डेवलपर ऑप्शन
Hello,
ऑफ हो
hello,
जाएगा।
Timothy.
आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन शो होता है डेवलपर ऑप्शन, हम सेटिंग में देख के यहाँ सिस्टम सेटिंग में डेवलपर
Let
ऑप्शन,
me
आपको
switch
इस
the
पे क्लिक
camera.
करने के बाद में यहाँ पे आपको यूएसबी जो है डिबगिंग मोड है वो ऑफ कर
Hello,
देना
hello.
है।
Steven, I saw you pop into my live a little bit, and I went to look. I was going to say something with regards to that. So I was like, oh.
Yeah, yeah.
यहाँ पे सेटिंग के ऊपर
I
जाना है,
just like disappear for
सेटिंग सेटिंग हो जाती है,
close to 7 months.
ऑप्शन पे
Just like enter for some
Yeah,
time.
I was like, wait, here? Like,
Yeah,
इसको ऑफ करने के लिए
and
आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा देगा
yeah. Just like take sometimes from myself for
यहाँ
myself,
पे आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखा था वर्जन, क्लिक करेंगे
and
that's healthy, that's good.
जैसे ना
yeah.
क्लिक करते रहना है, जैसे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये ना
So what about you? How it's going on?
आपको यहाँ
I
पे
see your live stream about like new job
सेटिंग में देखिए,
and so
या
stuff.
सिस्टम सेटिंग में डेवलपर
Yes,
ऑप्शन जैसे
yes.
क्लिक करेंगे, क्लिक करने के बाद
I'm going to be
यहाँ पे
starting
आपको
at a hotel,
डिबगिंग मोड है
which
ऑफ कर
means
दीजिए, ये ऑप्शन कब आएगा
me,
जब आप वर्जन के
I
ऑप्शन
can
पे
get my
क्लिक
car
करेंगे
fixed,
7
I
बार।
can stop doing
दोस्तों अगर आप
deliveries
अपना
as
डेवलपर
much,
ऑप्शन ऑफ करना चाहते हैं, इसको
and
कैसे
I
करें,
can
तो
actually
सबसे
like
सिंपल तरीका बताऊँ, यहाँ पे
use these
सेटिंग पे
checks
जाना है,
and it's more
सेटिंग पे जाने के
stable,
बाद
and I
में
can
आपके
save
पास
up
जैसे सेटिंग सेटिंग हो
and
जाती है,
travel.
इसमें आपको
I already
डेवलपर
went to
ऑप्शन जो होता
Mexico,
है वो ढूंढना है,
came
क्योंकि यहाँ
back.
पे यूएसबी डिबगिंग और ऑन रहता है, जैसे काफ़ी सारी एप्लीकेशन है
Now
वर्क
my
नहीं करती है,
goal, because
तो
I'm
ऐसे में
learning
इसको ऑफ
Egyptian
करने के लिए
Arabic
आपको
now
यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन
technically,
दिखाई
so
देगा, आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे अबाउट डिवाइस के ऊपर जाइए, ठीक है।
my goal
यहाँ
is
पे
to
आप
go to
एक ऑप्शन
Colombia,
पे
then
क्लिक
Egypt,
करेंगे तो
and
बिल्ड
a few
नंबर आ
other
जाएगा,
places
आपको
too.
जैसे यहाँ
But
पे ऐसे क्लिक करते रहेगा, जैसे क्लिक करते हैं तो ये ना
this
7-8
job will
बार में
help me
डेवलपर
save
ऑप्शन
up.
को ऑन कर देता है।
I'm just gonna
आपको
be
यहाँ पे
like
एक ऑप्शन शो
a
होता है डेवलपर
receptionist
ऑप्शन,
guy,
हम
like
सेटिंग
I
में देखिए,
handle
यहाँ सिस्टम
all
सेटिंग
the
में
check-ins,
डेवलपर ऑप्शन,
check-outs,
जैसे
and then at night I do like the night audit, all that.
Yeah, that's
What
good.
I say so. Yeah.
Yeah,
Been sober off those pills and everything. Been sober. Drinking, I quit for like a month, and then
that's cool.
holiday came around and had a few. And I'm having a little bit tonight because I had some leftovers from last week, so I'm like, hey. But for the most part, dude, I'm just living life sober, just do whatever. I'm involved in Krav Maga, like martial arts and stuff now. I'm hitting the gym like 3 times as hard, losing weight. I don't wear contacts anymore, or glasses. I wear contacts now. Like, so like, there's a lot of good things like shaping up for me now.
That's good. That's good. I wish you all the best. Yeah. For me, I'm just like trying to, because I didn't code for many years, like year and a half or 2 years. So I'm going back to coding. I do that because of AI. They said about like vibe coding, you can create application with vibe coding, but it's not working. It's not working at all. You need to pay a lot to AI agent and is not profitable. So
Really?
yeah,
So it's the AI that's teaching you how to do it.
not teaching you. Yeah, it's helping, but it costs a lot to run the AI. For example, like companies that how to say that, there is hiring and retire, like removing employees from the company,
Oh, that's
resigning,
laying off.
laying off. Yeah,
Yeah.
laying off the employees. They see that AI is not competing, is not do the same job as engineers or technicians. So they bring people back. It's not the same value, the same numbers, but
Right.
still people need to understand how to build an application. The structure, the architecture is not just about running the code. It's give you the first, like the SaaS, we say it, a SaaS or MVP, like a minimum valuable product. It will give you a minimum value.
What are you trying to build specifically? What kind of role?
Yeah, for example, any application, whatever, like tracker,
In general.
management, something about
What are you
education.
trying to do? Are you just learning in general? You're not learning anything specific, just trying to do any of that?
Yeah, for me, I have a lot of ideas in my mind. Even the company that I work with, we are having an application about education, where teachers and students meet each other, and the company taking 20% of the revenue. So and there is a lot of other things, and we developed this application, not me. That's why I go back to development, so to build application that I want to run in the future, about like management, tracking. When you understand the concept of the language, you can build whatever you want. Like for example, the AI can help you in creating MVP, like we say it, minimum valuable product, but will not give you all the details of the application, like the structure, how to build it, building by building.
Is this why it's not really working for you? Like not profiting, or what's kind of the thing there, man? Like,
Sorry?
like why you said it's not very profitable for you? Like why is that specifically?
Yeah, using AI agent, because you pay a lot. For example, every month you pay $2,000, and right now you will pay
Just
for
not learning what you need to do for that price.
and in the future we will start paying for prompts. Like wherever you write a prompt, you're gonna pay something to the application. At the end, you will have two subscription for monthly, and subscription from the prompt, how much prompts you write in the month or in the week.
Okay.
So, and even there is a lot of other problems, but even that, we need to learn AI, we need to learn machine learning, we need to learn this stuff. Yeah.
Well, man, I give you props. I give you credit. I have a friend, buddy of mine, man. He used to be Army Airborne Ranger. He has like a cool history, but like a lot of dark stuff happened in his life and everything. But now, like, I'm finding out things about this guy like I didn't even know. Like one of the things being like he actually went to college to be a coder. He was like writing his own programs, and he built computers from the ground up. So he did software and hardware, like all that. And now the man sits there and fixes people's clocks.
Yeah, because because you need like to have something profitable to you. If you
Clocks are
build,
working for some reason.
yeah, clocks
Computers
is
right
working. Clocks, yeah, clocks is working. But for example, like if you see building hardware and software, we already have hardware and software, and even if I build the hardware and software, it's gonna be like more expensive than what we exist in the market. So no one will buy it from you. For example, he can like go and go to IBM like to build hardware with them, or like go to in Nvidia or some those big companies. But if you go there, you're gonna learn their technology, not building with what you learned with the basics, because the basics is how to build this technology is in the 90s, not right now. But right now you need like to enter in any company and have like 2 months or 3 months learning their programs and their structure and their way of working, then starting working. And yeah,
Okay. Yeah, no, dude, this is, so you said you haven't done this in years.
not a lot of years, just like years and a half, maybe 2 years.
Year and a half, maybe 2 years. Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, hey, brother. I mean, I give you credit because I'm not. That's not me. I thought about it when I was younger. Remember MS DOS?
yes,
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
I thought that was the coolest thing as a kid, and I loved video games were starting to really come out, or computer games to use them then. Video games were still there, but they weren't like the main thing yet. So like, I was like, I want to learn how to make this. That would be so awesome. People are like, you have to know like a lot of math and this and that. I'm like, for me, it never panned out. And I can't pull myself in like 7 different directions right now. Like, if I do that, then I will lose focus on what I'm already trying to attain. And, it is another language. It is like its own thing. But, yeah, what you're saying makes sense. That, yeah, part of it comes down to, is it worth it? Is it, I get that. But, yeah.
Yeah, for example, there is in LA, in Los Angeles, in the beginning of 2026, is JavaScript developer. So like coder is not enough. You need like to be an engineer. Like just coding is not enough. You need to be an engineer. What is the difference? Yeah. What is the difference? Like coder, just knowing how to, you give him everything and he will make the translation from a architecture to a code, or from an algorithm to a code. But a software engineer, he can know the architecture, he can know the design pattern, he can know the different for example, there is languages of speaking with engineers called Neris and other things. I forget the name right now. But especially design pattern, it's very important, and it's very hard to maintain and have it in your mind and execute while you are trying to build an application. And this is like where is the hard work, theoretically, before touching the keyboard. Like touching the keyboard is the easy job, even it is hard, but
99% of anything you do is preparation.
yes,
The rest happen. There you go. You know, and to be honest, like, I feel like, I know I'm kind of drifting away, but I do feel like a lot of people's complaints in life are really surrounded by things like, well, this happened, and because of this happened. Like, but you could have actually prepared, knowing that this might be a thing, you know, and I see so many people make the same kind of mistakes, not just